Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage region and minimap in Albion Online. To do this, first we'll need to click on our settings, navigate to the game settings and then go for the interface. Here you'll be able to scroll down and find region and minimap. We'll be able to switch default zoom in city and regions. And you can do it with the slider or by clicking on the plus and minus. Keep in mind you can do the same thing on each of those options. I won't be repeating that. So then we have the default zoom in open world regions, close region map on the combat initiation. Then there's a travel mode map transparency that we can adjust, travel mode icon transparency, the same thing, and finally center on the player. And you can activate or deactivate that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.